video of your 2000 and 4000 head. So I've got a 2000 and a 4000 of the same head. So first thing I'm looking is play in these. This is how they should be. No play. When you open them up, just bear with us, I'll put the phone down. I won't, no, I'll try and keep it in my hand. Can you just do that for us, Mark? And that one, so I can actually show inside. You can see that's your head. This is our head. Yours is obviously missing all this. Alright, so onto your power lead. Yes, pulled out, but obviously new power cable needed. We can't just push it back in. Power cable's got to be changed. On your head, on the 4000, again, we'll play. Again, this is actually missing the inner. There is one of ours. There is yours. Where somebody's been trying to knock the pin in just to make it tighter. Other side, again, no inner shield. Right, now I'm not sure whether it's the 2000 or the 4000, which one? The 2000. So that's plugged into the AMI cooler as we would do normally. Turn it on. Surprise, surprise, it's not spinning. Basically, there's no water going around the head. That means it's blocked. Do that. We need to undo them. And it looks like somebody's already been having a look at them because they're all screwed up anyway. There's a quick video clip of your heads.